Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about facet. With facet, we can break down the visualization by categories to smaller group of data. We're creating separate visualization for each category. So we have two types of facets, and today I will work on facet wrap, which is one variable. So first of all, I have to write my formula ggplot. So I will use the penguins data and plus. So here I want to use the point chart, and also I will use the line chart as well. So first of all I will work on point chart. Geom point mapping static x equal to flipper length comma y equal to body mass per gram. And here I want to add also color equal to species. So now I can run my data. So you can see here I have this 3 species and I have this point chart. So I just, after this, I just type here plus sign and enter. So here I want to use the facet wrap to categorize this data. So I just type here facet wrap, and here I should just write species. That's it. I just run this. You can see here we have separated visualization based on species. Of course we can do that based on other variables also. So I can do that based on island. Run. You can see here it's based on island, but the color is based on species. So I want to change it again to species. And here you can see we have this point chart. So I can change it to line charts. Just come here to point and type here line and run this. You can see here we use the facet wrap to create different visualization for different species. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.